Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this Husky 72-inch 18-drawer tool cabinet. The whole cabinet sits on 6 wheels down at the bottom, and you have a large push handle on this end. So when you do need to move it around, that's easy to do. You have a power strip here with 6 power outlets, and there's an on and off cord and a cord keeper on the end. On the top, you have a 1-inch thick solid woodworking surface. This is a really pretty grain. I think that's probably my favorite thing about it. I think it complements the white really well. And you do have the ability to lock a couple of these cabinets. Now it has soft close drawers, and when those bottom larger drawers are fully extended, they can still support a weight of up to 120 pounds. Here's a quick look at one of the drawers, and you'll see the soft close feature right there. It just starts to slow down as it gets close to closing. The whole cart has 19 gauge steel construction, and it weighs about 570 pounds. So it is very heavy, which is why it's important that it has the wheels and the push bar. But this is also something that, if you're a smaller person, you might want to get some help moving. So that's something to consider. Overall, this is a great way to store tools. It looks classy and sleek in any garage, and it's a storage system and product that I do recommend.